just bought this Syntakt. I've had it about 3 days, and to be honest, it's brilliant. I'm addicted to it. I've been playing with it all weekend. Haven't really done much else than play with this. I just wanted to make a quick video tutorial of how to make a trance gate using the analog effects block. A lot of people talking about being able to duck audio in the effects block. That's great, that works fine, but I've been using it a different way to create a trance gate effect. Now this is something that I haven't had. I've had a lot of hardware over the years, and I've not had any hardware which was able to create this effect. I've always resorted to software. So yeah, I'm really pleased that you can do it on this box. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial demo just to show you how to create a trance gate. So yeah, I've created this little pattern just as something to play along to. And on track 6 I've got the chord machine. It's just at its default values, except that I've selected wave 77 because it sounded quite nice on that wave. So yeah, this is what it sounds like on its own. So yeah, I'm using E minor. Yeah, so basically I'm just going to record a pattern in here, and then we'll add the effect afterwards. So if I just put a pre-roll on. Okay. That'll do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to head into the effects block. Actually, I'm going to set the route in. So track 6 I've already got routed. So what you want to do here is head over to the amp page. Now this is what a lot of people are talking about, the ability to duck audio. But if you double tap, go into the second page of the amp menu and just change the envelope to a regular ADSR. Just bring down the sustain a bit and the release. Okay, so what we want to do is play some trigs. I've already got some set up, but if we play some trigs here, at the moment you can't hear anything because the gate isn't open. Every time you place a trig, the gate opens. So let's just place one trig and you'll see. So what you want to do to create the classic trance gate effect is basically come up with a rhythmic pattern to open the gate and close the gate. So I'm just going to come up with something. Let's try that. So as it's playing, you can change the pattern if you don't like it. So I quite like that. So now what you want to do is you want to play around with the settings on the amp, but also you can use the filter, and we'll see what we can come up with. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. So what you can also do is add some reverb and delay in the effects block. There's not much point in adding it to the machine itself because if I go back, you've only got 3 triggers here, so the delay will be affected on each of these 3 triggers. So it will soon be cut out by the gate. So what you want to do, I'll show you. If I add delay here, you'll see. Okay, sounds alright. But it's sort of being cut out. As the gate closes, the delay is being cut out, which isn't really what we want. So it's better to come here and add it in the effects block. And then it affects the whole pattern without being cut out. So of course you can come back to the machine engine and you can play around with this as well and see what wave you like, change the chords, etc. Quite like that, so I think I'll keep that. go back to the trance gate effect, and then we'll change the trigs, see what we come up with. Try something else. You can use the trig length on the trig page to keep the gate open for longer. So if you hear this one, I've set to 3 steps. One other thing you can do is take the trigs off your machine track. Now go to the keyboard mode, and if I play the track, what you'll see is now when I play a note, it's not going to play anything now because the gate's closed. So when I hit play, when I play a note, it's going to follow the trance gate pattern. So you can experiment with different patterns. So let's try and record something different. Don't like that. Let's try something else.